Today we want to talk about making awesome headlines. Hello and welcome to the Digital Strategy and Marketing channel, the channel for entrepreneurs who use digital tools to make their work easier and grow their businesses for X. If you want to make an outstanding title very easily, this is the way to do it with only one click. There exists many websites that can help you create titles like this one, but this asks you way too many questions, according to me. It asks you all these questions. But if you want to make quick headlines and get outstanding ideas, come to this titlegenerator.com. The link is in the description, and put in the idea that you want to get headlines on, like headlines. It will generate more than 700 ideas. You don't need to go through the 700 of them, but you'll definitely find some that are quite interesting. Not all of them make sense, but some are quite interesting, and that is how I designed the headline of this specific video. Thank you very much. If you found this useful, click like, subscribe, and recommend this to someone who struggles with headlines. Until next time.